Okay, we're going to get started breaking 3 boxes of 2016 Absolute Mega Boxes. These are 4 packs, 10 cards per pack. Each box has 1 rookie jersey and I believe 1 rookie autograph. Start with box 1. Okay, pack 1. Extreme Team Rob Gronkowski. Rookie jersey is a Jonathan Williams of the Bills. Brock Osweiler, Jamal Charles, Jordan Reed, Sean McCoy, Allen Robinson, Greg Olsen, Antonio Brown, and Jay Cutler. Next pack. Rookie Roundup, Miles Jack. Von Miller, that's a blue parallel. Adrian Peterson, AJ Green. Colin Kaepernick, Demarius Thomas, Amari Cooper, Larry Fitzgerald, Jay Ajayi, and Blake Bortles. Pack 3. Mike Tolbert, Unsung Heroes of the Panthers, Sammy Watkins, Andrew Luck, Stephon Diggs, Joe Flacco, Carlos Hyde, Jeremy Langford, Khalil Mack, Kirk Cousins, and Jarvis Landry. And last pack of box 1. Brandon Marshall Red Zone. Autograph is a Keith Marshall of the Redskins. Von Miller, Eli Manning, Mike Evans, Chris Ivory, Julio Jones, Andy Dalton, Thomas Rawls, and Jeremy Maclin. Alright, now we'll go to box 2. Pack 1 of box 2. Todd Gurley Red Zone insert, and the autograph is a Kavari Russell of the Chiefs. Jeremy Hill, Richard Sherman, CJ Anderson, Ryan Matthews, JJ Watt, Matthew Stafford, Melvin Gordon, and Tavon Austin. Next pack. Aaron Rodgers Extreme Team. Jersey is another Bills, Cardale Jones. T.Y. Hilton, Eddie Lacy, Steve Smith, Case Keenum, Dion Lewis, Marcus Mariota, Robert Griffin, and Jeremy Langford. Next pack. Miles Jack Rookie Roundup, a Justin Forsett Blue Parallel, Matt Forte, Victor Cruz, Mark Ingram, Khalil Mack, Kirk Cousins, Jarvis Landry, Chris Ivory, and Julio Jones. Last pack of box 2. Mike Tolbert Unsung Heroes of the Panthers, DeAndre Hopkins, Clay Matthews, Phillip Rivers, Jameis Winston, Frank Gore, Andy Dalton, Thomas Rawls, Jeremy Maclin, and Greg Olsen. Alright, now we'll move on to the last box. Pack 1. Dwayne Harris, Unsung Heroes. Sam Bradford, Sammy Watkins, Andrew Luck. Stephon Diggs, Joe Flacco. Luke Kuechly, Todd Gurley, Brandon Marshall, and Tony Romo. Next pack. Rookie Roundup, Joey Bosa. Blue Spectrum, Eli Manning, Drew Brees, Lamar Miller, Jordy Nelson, Amir Abdullah, Travis Benjamin, Carson Palmer, Rob Gronkowski, and DeMarco Murray. Extreme Team, Richard Sherman. Jersey is a Braxton Miller of the Texans. Mike Evans, Brock Osweiler, Jamal Charles, Jordan Reed, Sean McCoy, Dion Lewis, Marcus Mariota, and Robert Griffin. And the last pack of the break. This one should have the autograph. Jordan Reed. Another Keith Marshall of the Redskins autograph. Carlos Hyde, Von Miller, Eli Manning, Brandon Cooks, J.J. Watt, Matthew Stafford, Melvin Gordon, and Tavon Austin. Let's review the 6 hits. Keith Marshall, Redskins autograph. Braxton Miller jersey, the Texans. Cardale Jones of the Bills jersey. Kavari Russell, the Chiefs autograph. Another Keith Marshall autograph of the Redskins. And a Jonathan Williams jersey of the Bills. Thanks to everyone who participated. We'll get these mailed out by Monday morning, and we'll get the video uploaded to YouTube right away. Thank you.